Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today we are going to learn and writing 10 lines on Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr is a Muslim's festival. It is celebrated at the end of Ramzan. Eid-ul-Fitr marks the end of fasting. It is a time for families and friends to come together and share delicious food. Muslims wear new clothes. Mosques are decorated with lights and colorful decorations. Prayers are offered in morning in large gatherings. The festival is celebrated with joy. It is a time to spread love, peace, and happiness.